Every man must know. Ukuhlala ekhweni, it's a faulty foundation. Shothi khona laba bakhulisa into abangayishongo kahle. Ya, ikhona abayisho abangitshelanga kahle. Ngoba uzovuka kanjani uhambe kanje? Kukhona umamezala wakho la. Kukhona babezala wakho la. Kukhona anti bakho la. Hayi bafowethu, let us fix foundation. GBV is a result of faulty foundations. Ngoba umuntu owonama foundations are right, uyazi ukuthi laba ngibashaya ngiyabavikela. Faulty foundations. Faulty foundations. When foundations are not right, you want to enjoy and benefit where you never labored. This is the plan of God. God desired from Garden of Eden that Eve must be beneficiaries of their Adam's hard work. Kuthi jobe akusiyona inconsistency to afia sekunensini ired. Ngoba uma le foundation yokondla ilimele ugcina ucela izinto engacela. Ngiyacela mama. Faulty foundations. Ngiyangipluthika kodwa ngiyangizwa ukuthi ngithini. Tshela makana faulty foundations. Angikade Dallas, ngithathela abafowethu. Foundations are laborers. Siyavumelana? Foundations are laborers. It's either they are good or bad. But foundations funa kiyo. Number 2, every foundation must have a beneficiary. Every foundation there must be. Ingakho-ke, I challenge you, Church of Jesus. Go and study your family history. Ukuze ubone mase kuyi-due time of benefiting. It's either they are good or bad, but funa kube uma kusuka ubaba noma umkhulu noma ukhokho wahamba wayothwala engatshelanga muntu. I foundation le.